Blizzard, what have you done? Why are you against why are you against people's rights for? They are standing for their state. They are standing for Hong Kong, the capital of China, I think. Why are you against that? Like, are you not aware what that government is doing to that state over there? Like, do you not know what they are doing to Hong Kong? Hong Kong may not be my home, but that is a home for others, to where they live. And their place is getting messed up, to where, like, there's even death, and to where someone even lost a goddamn eyeball. Why are you siding with them, Blizzard? Why? Why are you saying that that's your country when America is your country? What the hell? You're making yourself bad. You're making one of my favorite games, like Overwatch, look bad. You choose money over people, over your fans that have been supporting you. Jesus fucking Christ. It's like fucking, it's like Blizzard's Gamefreak, but more stupid. Blizzard, you need to get yourself out of fucking China. You really do. And if you don't, me and others will make you leave China by banning Overwatch. You're making the game Overwatch look bad because of this. I swear to God, Blizzard, I swear to God. Do not make me leave Overwatch. And if I leave that game, I will give up on the whole entire FPS and shooting genre in general. Like how I did when it came to Gamefreak fucking up on Pokemon Sword and Shield. I just gave up and just gave up in general for all RPGs and shit. Do not make me quit the FPS genre. Do not. And I will make more videos just to support Hong Kong. I might as well tell you or give you a suggestion. May I suggest you to not open BlizzCon, because this BlizzCon is going to be a goddamn mess if we don't cancel it. If you don't cancel it, that's on you. You're gonna have a goddamn circus in there of people wearing Winnie the Pooh. It's gonna be a mess if you don't cancel it. It's going to be way fucking terrible than last year when it came to Diablo Immortal. Diablo Immortal is a mess. Blizzard, you gotta choose your side. Not side. Please do not be a fucking communist. Please do not. Please. Like, everyone is against you. Like right now, you are the most hated company in the United States of America. Worse than EA. Like, you're just going to end up like Gamefreak getting this hate. I really hope, Blizzard, you make your goddamn mind up and apologize to that player during the Hearthstone eSport event. I really hope you apologize for that. Like I said before, if you don't get out of China, everyone will make you get out of China by banning Overwatch.